Currently, my today trade, I want to talk about the trades I took today. First and foremost, one of the trades I took is dollar, and this is the dollar here. A lot of people will be like, how were you able to spot the dollar? Sorry, gold, made a mistake. How were you able to spot gold and know that gold is going down? It's very simple, actually. I don't often trade gold because a lot of people say gold is very good for blah, 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 blah. But as let me give it a try today. When you're good, you're good no matter what. Now look at it now. Gold actually been making an upward trend, which has considered a higher high, higher high, higher high. You can look at it here. It's making an upward movement. This higher high, first high, this and higher low. Now, before there is always or doing actually and doing every strong trend, whether upward or downward trend, before there will be a trend reversal, there must be something like this. Something like this. I do call it double bottom or double top. Something like this often happen. So you see something like this, you see the market pull back, create what they call neckline. It will now send off again, create the second leg, and now start going down. Now, this on this strategy, we trade it using different ways. First and foremost, first of all, you have something like this. It could either make the first leg, make the neckline. Then after this neckline, after the second leg, it will either make an engulfing candle. Once you give you an engulfing candle, this is what they call a first class setup. I promise you, this will often work at 80 to 90% of the time. Like I'm telling you the truth. I'm honest with you. Most of my profit my past accounts, that it. If you have any amount, just gamble your rich assurance, it will definitely either it works out, or even if it doesn't work out, it will take like it will take time for you not to be able to work out. Honestly, I'm telling you with full set assurance. Now look at it. Or if that one doesn't work, you wait for what they call the break of neckline. If it doesn't give you an engulfing candle, wait for break of neckline. Then when there's a break of this neckline, it gives you once the neckline is being break by a full body close of a candle. When I say full body close, like a candle like this is a full body close of a candle like this. It closes from right from inside here to the outside. Or when you have a break of neckline and have a retest. When I mean a break of neckline, what do I mean? Like after the break of neckline, something like this happen and it gives you something like this and start going down. This is also is a B class setup, not a first class setup. The one that gives you an engulfing can always often play out more often than this one. But both of them actually play out sharp. But I prefer the first one because it gives me a high class. But this thing always happen once. It might even happen once in a month, once in a week, once in 2 weeks. It happened once, but if you can have patience enough and wait for it and be trading it, my brother, you'll be madly profitable. Now look at it. Let me show you how it happened here on gold. Let me show you how it happened here on gold and how I traded it. Now this is a good here. It has been classified with it has been making a series of higher high. This is high, blah 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 blah. Then you make this one again. This is the high. This is the neckline that was made. Then it made another high again. As you guys can see, it made another high again. Then after this high now, it also make another small neckline. Then it made another high again. And what do you see that follows it? This is an engulfing candle. You see it? This is an engulfing candle right here. What do? We went short after this engulfing candle. Let me show you guys what I mean here. Let me show you guys what I mean here. Then after this series of highs and blah blah blah, look at it now. This is an engulfing candle. This is a pure engulfing candle. When I say it's an engulfing candle, let me delete this thing so I can see it. Yeah, you can see this candle. The candle that is flowing it totally engulfed that candle. It not just engulfed, like it totally engulfed it completely. This is a pure engulfing candle. What do I do? I place my short. I place my short. Now, oftentimes my first TP is usually at the neckline, which is here, and this is where I took my first TP. And as you can see, the market came here, and it's actually uh, respected it. When the market here, I see that it's actually rejected it and went up to the downside before it started going up again. Now I see after the break of that neckline, what I showed you guys, it also make another W again to show that the trend continues. As you can see right here. Let me widen my screen so you guys can see it clearly. This is what we have here. Let me delete this thing. This is what we have here. After it came to this place, it respected the neck. I told you guys neckline is my first take profit. It respected the neckline. It went back again. On getting to this point, it made the first double leg again. This is under double bottom. Actually, under double top here. It made the first leg again. It came here, down here, made a neckline, make the second leg, what do we see here? What do we have here? We have escape. What do we have here? Next we have here is another engulfing candle. As you guys can see, this is another engulfing candle, followed by the candle that closed after it is an engulfing candle. The candle that is showing it conflict completely. Which does what does this thing signal? A trend, a pure trend continuation. So even if you have not been trading all this while, you say to trade only today, you have actually covered like you have made a lot of hell of money. Now this is it. Now let's look at the risk to reward. If you look at the risk to reward of this particular trade, you see that if you look at the risk to reward of this particular trade, you see that like it's massive. It's fucking massive. This is from all the way from here down to this place. It's going to it's nearing a risk of 10 risk reward of 10, 1 to 10. Now okay, look at it. Look at it right now. From here is where we enter this trade. From here is exactly where we enter this trade. From here, after the closing of this candle, then this is our stop loss. The previous high is up to your stop loss. And obviously, it did not even get our stop loss. And it's been going down. It has hit our first TP, which is the first TP. And this first TP is a ratio of 1 to 2. Then now it's still going down again. As you can see here, right here, it's still going down. And this is my second TP here at this point. Now, this is my second TP. Now, secondly, this thing happened on the 15-minute time frame. And let's get down to 1 hour time frame. I said this thing actually have what they call a confluence. Now, on the 1 hour time frame right here, we also have similar something like that. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is also a push up to the upper side, a pull back, which is the neckline. Then also in it, and you can see after this pullback, we will have series of ranging candles. These are the ranging candles. I mean, this candles has been ranging until we have a clean. We had an engulfing candle here. We had an engulfing candle here. We had this engulfing candle, and what next followed. So on a higher time frame, we played out. On a lower time frame, we played out. So in other way, you took this trade, you are to be on the right side. So this is just basically what I saw on gold that made me took short on gold. And especially the fact that gold often go opposite direction with the DSY. And as you can see today, DSY has actually been going on a downward trend, but gold is still going down. So actually, when I took this, I was scared because since DSY is going down and gold is going down, DSY is the dollar is a USD, is DSY. Then gold is also going down. Total are meant to be going in the same direction. But for the fact that this is a high quality setup, that's why both of them are going in the same direction. This is one of the trade I took today. And the second trade I also took today is Great Britain, New Zealand. Great Britain, New Zealand, something like that also happened. I've actually taken my first profit and I've left the rest to one. This is it here, and this is what I took on Great Britain, New Zealand. As you can see, the same thing I told you guys, it came down here, it made its first leg. It came down here, it made this first leg. This is the first leg here. It made its first leg. It went up and made this neckline. Came down here. Now, do you see? Can you identify that engulfing candle I'm preaching about? This is the engulfing candle right here. As you can see, this is probably the engulfing candle. It's pulled back. I got to the trade. I took my first profit at the neckline. I told you guys I took out of it at the neckline and I let the rest to run up to this point. But up to this point is the next resistance region we have. So just like I told you guys, I'm not for it. I'm not trading again. I've taken 2 trades and I'm not for it. I'm not trading anymore. So it's better you just wait for that particular setup to happen. Or wait for the particular setup to happen and take it. Or sorry, down for you to be gambling in and out, trying to scalp as much as you can. And definitely the little you make, you end up losing it. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a video, a full tutorial on this my particular trading strategy, which I've been using for years now. But I don't know whenever I have something, I'm gonna be doing a video on it. Actually, to teach you guys and also let other people to also trade with me. But I also keep you guys updated on my series of trades. And even if you look at it right here, it's also happened somewhere here. It went down here, took up here, give you an engulfing candle here, and already talked to the upside. So without wasting much of time, thank you so much for being with me. I sincerely appreciate it, and I really just want to update you guys on the series of trades I took today, and also encourage most of you who have been losing back to back, even to all this, everybody loses, nobody that knows it. But the reason I choose to show you guys this is that I always use this setup mostly of the time as my backup. After losing series of position on trend line and the rest, I lose a hell of money on them. I'll now come back to this one to this time. as my backup plan. Thank you guys and enjoy your day. Please, in case you have not subscribed to my channel, do it to do that. Thank you.